Hi kids, today we are going to cook a pancake recipe. These are the ingredients. First, you wash your hand properly. This is very important. Then you can see the ingredients. Flour, sugar, oil, milk, egg, powder, and that's all. When we have all the ingredients, we'll mix them up. In a bowl, we put the flour, the oil, 1 egg, the sugar, the powder, the milk, and finally a little bit of salt. Then you mix everything up. And remember, if you mix it with an electric device, always with an adult supervise you. This part is very funny. Once everything is ready, we put a little bit of oil in the pan so the mixture doesn't stick. You need a big deck spoon to bring the mixture into the pan. Again, don't forget to have an adult supervise because it could be really dangerous. When you see bubbles into the mixture, you turn it around. Then you choose your favorite topping. Mine is maple syrup with butter. What's yours? And that's all. Do you like how they look? Which one do you prefer? With red fruits, caramel syrup or chocolate syrup? Yum! Enjoy it! Bon appetit! Bye bye!